If your iPhone is not ringing when you get a call, then what you need to do at first, check the button on the side here. There is a silent button here, so make sure that the silent button is not on, not enabled, otherwise your phone vibrates only when you get a call. So make sure that the silence button is not enabled. This is the button here on the top. Make sure that it is not pushed down, it should be pushed towards the top so that your iPhone will not go in silent mode. Next thing, make sure that this iPhone ringer volume is full. It should not be low. If it is low, then you will not be able to hear the ringtone. So maximize the iPhone ringtone volume. Now the last thing is, check if do not disturb mode is activated in your iPhone. Swipe from the top of the screen. Make sure that this moon icon is not enabled. If enabled, disable it. So once you do these things, you should be able to hear the ringtone when you get a phone call in your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.